Okay, students, so if you read this poem carefully, then you will know that there is the ascending and descending order. Yes, in maths language, if you say, then it is called ascending and descending order, means bigger to smaller and smaller to bigger things. Okay, so see, I will explain you now this poem line wise. See the line first. There is the key of the kingdom. Kingdom means Rajya. Okay, so there is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. Kingdom is the biggest thing. So in that kingdom there have so many cities. Okay, so in that kingdom there are so many cities. In that city there is a town. Okay, means if we see about our state, then our state name is Maharashtra. So in that state, Thane is one district, means city, and in that city Diva is one of the town. Okay, so biggest to smaller things are there. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. In that city there is a town. Town means village. Okay, so in that big city there is a small village. In that town there is a street. Street means road. So if you see the picture of village, and you also have your own village, so in that village there are small small streets, road hote hai. So in that town there is a street. In that street there is a lane. Lane means gully. Okay, so on that street, in that street there have so many lanes. In that lane there is a yard. Okay, yard means आंगन. आंगन यानी हमारे घर के बाहर जो परिसर होता है उसको आंगन बोला जाता है. ओके, इन दैट यार्ड देयर इज़ अ हाउस. उस यार्ड में क्या है? हाउस है. इन दैट हाउस देयर इज़ अ रूम. उस हाउस में रूम है. इन दैट रूम देयर इज़ अ बेड. ऑन दैट बेड देयर इज़ अ बास्केट, एंड इन दैट बास्केट देयर आर some flowers. Means here have the sequence of bigger to smaller things. Which one is the bigger thing in it? So kingdom is the bigger thing, and which is the smallest thing? So smallest thing is some flowers. Okay, so in the kingdom there have city. In the city there have town. In the town there is a street. In the street there have lane. In the lane there have yard. In that yard there have house. In the house there is a room, and that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket, and in that basket there are some flowers. Okay, so in that first stanza we have seen the sequence of bigger to smaller. Now in next stanza we will see the smaller to bigger. Means in mathematical language we can see it. In first stanza we had seen the descending order, and in the second stanza we will see the ascending order. See here, flowers in the basket. Okay, in the basket there are flowers. So flowers in the basket. Basket on the bed. Basket किधर है? बेड पे है. Bed in the room. Room in the house. House in the yard. Yard in the lane. Lane in the street. Street in the town. Town in the city. City in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. Okay, so in the second stanza there have स्मॉलर टू बिगेस्ट थिंग्स. में फ्लावर्स किस पे है? बास्केट में है. बास्केट किधर है? बेड के ऊपर है. बेड किधर है? रूम में है. रूम किधर है? हाउस में है. हाउस किधर है? आंगन में है, यार्ड में है. ओके, यार्ड किधर है? लेन में है, यानी गली में है. अभी गली किधर है? रोड पे है. रोड में है. और रोड किधर है? छोटे से टाउन में है. टाउन किस में है? एक बड़े से सिटी में है. और सिटी किस में है? एक बड़े से किंगडम में है. एंड देयर दिस इज द की ऑफ द किंगडम. यही है की है किंगडम की. ओके, वेरी स्मॉल एंड सिंपल पोएम इज देयर. I think you understand this easily. Okay, so please read the poem once again, and if you have any doubts of that poem, so you can ask me after finish our lecture.